Alright, hey guys. My sister and my mother are trying to put on their ziplining gear to go down that. Oh,
my phone. I don't think you could do that. Okay, wait a minute. This here. I like that.
cool.
And then my phone.
Well, that is hella cool down there. I will probably be standing right down there on those stairs, watching them go flying. Look at the go down.
No, put them up. Cash your knees.
Got like some of this shit. You take it out when we get there.
Nah, he didn't master it until close to the end. Yeah.
Stand up. No, Zah. That shit right there looks like you, that they took that shit out of some seat belts. Out some damn cars. No, you can't tell me that's not look like a seat belt.
My dog is huge. I gotta get that life
But Zah.
because everything else, like up here, was getting mad loose, and then it just my thigh.
But like, you really.
And then like this mad loose right here. Oh, I guess what you can't have it too tight because it's not. It's gonna cut your skin.
But Zah, you really can't tell me that's gonna look like that from seat cars. Yeah, that would have costed a fortune. Look at this, we're taking nothing but a power walk. Thank you, God. I ain't trying to lose my life.
That's what I said.
But I'll tell you this, I'm gonna lose some weight from this walk.
Yes. Oh, they got a playground back there.
Mm-hmm. For the parents who are like out here ziplining. You guys gonna race each other?
I guess so. Well, come on up.
Okay.
I was gonna be like, huh?
I need you to make sure I'm tight.
Alright, what you're going to do before you come up the bridge, it's going to be a small clip on your side. It's going to look like this. Yep, right. Put that to the wire.
Wait, I'm confused.
Yep, you're going to pull it down and then push it back.
Okay.
Yep, there you go.
Unhook myself? Cause he got me hooked up. Yeah, like that.
And pull down.
Okay.
No, what I do?
Oh, this must not be stable.
Oh, this shit got me scared now. No, wait!
Oh. She all scared. That's why he told you to put the hook on.
I don't give a damn. I want to go back.
Okay, you got it.
Girl, can you go so I could go?
No, I want to go back.
Sure?
No, she's not sure. Cause no refunds, honey.
It's not from up here, but trust me,
It's really not.
not that bad.
I want to go back.
Girl, go ahead.
I want to go back.
I ain't got time for this Kim Kardashian shit.
I want to go back.
I got a child
I'm
now.
going back. I want to go back. There's too many of us up here.
No, it ain't.
Just go. Wait.
She playing too many games.
Wait,
So
wait,
can
wait.
you
Let me
put over
unclip.
there?
Let me
No,
unclip.
wait, don't unclip, don't
No. I gotta go back.
Okay,
Can you not do that, please, for real? Like,
But she clipped
now
on.
you being exaggerated.
Okay,
Okay,
so,
she
Come on
being
up there.
dramatic.
I want to get off.
alright.
Yo, I
Are you
had
gonna go?
you.
Just wait
Yeah.
right there for me, okay? I'm gonna hook her up and then I'll let you down. Yeah, I'm gonna take this off your back. You're just gonna sit down like you're sitting in a sitting in a chair, okay? And you're gonna lift your feet up.
I can't sit down that far, baby. Hold on. Let me show my. And I'ma just go. You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Honey.
Y'all better be my.
Hey, there you go. Oh, you alright?
Oh, honey, I done pissed on myself. I feel like I peed on myself.
You alright, look?
We're gonna push you back here.
Okay.
She hit that hard. Alright, oh, okay, I can stand up. Alright. Who y'all scared the shit out of me?
All the way up, take a few more steps back.
I'm like, I'm coming in hard. Somebody.
I got you. Just watch your head real quick.
Alright.
I don't want to lift your head too close. Alright, this is gonna go here in your left hip.
Okay. Oh, I gotta do another one down?
Nah.
Oh.
And then you're just gonna walk straight down the stairs.
Okay. Sorry. Alright, where am I going?
Out there, a little to your left. To your left.
Okay, thank you. Same to you. She crying. She up there crying.
What do you, so look at the camera. Tell me, what did you think of the ride?
It was actually quite fun. I enjoyed myself. It was a tad bit scary, like just letting yourself go. But after that, it was a breeze. It was so fun.
After you just
I
hit
know,
that
like,
poor
I
man.
said it
After you hit that poor man aside his head.
He went down, honey. But anyway, I already did this before, so I know the line isn't gonna break. This is like the line that they use for like the airports and stuff. So it's not gonna break because like they use these like Here she go.
No, she holding her.
Oh no. Girl, come on! Child, she ain't never gonna go. I give up on her. She acting real pussy right
There's
now.
no shame in backing down.
Real pussy.
There's no shame in backing down. Trust and believe. There's no shame.
It is. When you what, 40 years old? Come on now.
Okay, yeah, she's 41.
Oh shit, you said 41.
No, there's no such thing as her age. I rounded it out. Just
look at this shit.
Where's she going?
Look at this blood clot shit. If you don't get the fuck out of here.
She broke it. She broke it. Okay, how did you get down?
Child, you gotta walk over there.
Him. Say hello to YouTube.
I did it.
You know I knocked the man down.
Girl, I was jumping on his motherfucking back. He was like, ma'am, please. I said, no. I said, I'm still in the air. He was holding me. I said, oh, shit, no. I'm about to punch you in your face if you don't get this shit off me right now. I'm afraid. I am afraid.
If you better
The
not.
reason why I'm doing this shit, she told me. Come on, Daddy. Where is he going? I want to take pictures right here.
But son,
And can you take a picture of all
that colludes it. See you in the bed.
There you go.
This shit about to be fucking rescue shot. Ma, you can't go further.
There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Girl, this gotta be dead, bitch.
Wait, Zaire, wait.
He better
gotta go ahead and sew it.
Well, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. So all of my links will be down below to my social medias, along with my brothers and my mothers, and even my uncle's links will be down below as well. So thank you guys for watching. Bye.